cycle of fourth on the key of E. So we have okay, so let's break it down real quick. Left hand side we have this over the 3, which is A flat. Left hand side C, E, F sharp and B. Then right hand side we have that slow again. This is F sharp and B. So the slow is from G to A flat. So this melody line, this is F sharp and A, then E and A flat. So over the 6, left hand side we have B, E flat, E and A flat. Then the slow over the right hand side, this is C sharp and F sharp. Then the slow is from D to E flat. So that movement, this tritone, this is B and F. Then I have A triad on the right, A, C sharp and E. So this chord, the rootless voicing is F sharp or G flat. And left hand side tritone, this is B flat and E. And right hand side we have A flat triad. So over the 5, rootless voicing is B. Left hand chord we have A, C sharp, D and F sharp or G flat. Then right hand side we have this slow. So this is B and E. Then the slow is from C to D flat or C sharp. Then to the 1. So left hand side, this is the rootless voicing is E. Left hand side we have E, D and F sharp. Then right hand side we have this as a passing chord, B flat, E flat and G. So here we have B. Then we have this grace note or slow from F sharp, G to A flat. Flip it back. This is from G, F sharp and E. Then come to the 4. I love that. So normally I was supposed to play it here, but I wanted it to sound full. So left hand side, this is A, E and C sharp, but you can come resolve to B if your hand is not, if you can't stretch. Then right hand side we have this is A flat and E with grace notes from B to C sharp. So arpeggios actually, it depends on the key, like the flexibility on the key you are on. So if I'm on E, I love playing this arpeggio over the 4. So left hand side, this is C sharp. Right hand side, I'm just playing the E major triad, but adding the second note to it, which is E, F sharp, A flat and B. So I have this. So we have, yeah, so that's it.